Hi foodies, welcome back to Clatmic Kitchen It by Nikita Chen. Let's start it. So today I'm going to make a review video of instant tea. So it is a brand Chaayos that I had bought online from Amazon. I'm giving the link in the description, please check from there. I have bought an Elaichi flavor, one of my favorite, but you can also order masala chai as well as ginger tea. This is an instant tea, a pack of 36 packets. Here you can check the expiry dates, that's of around 10 months given, that's good. And also the price mentioned here is 599, but on Amazon it is available at 500 rupees. It's a good one actually, and moreover as per in flavors there are variants of options. You can go for adrak wali chai, adrak elaichi wali chai, masala chai, whatever you like you can buy from there. Making this is very easy. Just take 100 ml of hot water in a cup, pour the sachet and stir it and enjoy it. There are many other brands for Indian teas flavor, but Chaayos is one of my favorite because it gives you really authentic taste of our tea at home. And this is 36 sachet, pack of 36 given like this. And on each sachet there is complete expiry date given, so that you will also place it without their pack. Now let's prepare a instant tea fatafat. Here I had taken 100 ml of water and I'm going to pour this water in a pan and going to put it on a flame till a boil comes. So let's water get a quick boil. Meanwhile we will do the other thing, the very important one. Let's take a sachet of Chaayos and I'm going to open it. So here I cut it with scissor on one side and I'm going to pour the whole mixture. You can see it's a dry ready to drink tea, and I'm going to pour the whole sachet in my cup. There is no need to add any extra sugar in it, as I have transferred all the sachet in it. I'm going to pour the hot water. So let's check it. Water is boiled and now I'm going to pour it. And see guys, in 5 minutes your instant tea is exactly ready. Just stir the whole mixture well and have a sip of the instant Chaayos tea. Well, it have other brands also in instant one, you can go for that also, but I preferably try this one. And it has a minimum level of sugar. If you are not much addicted to sugar, then it's a good one. If you want to add sugar, you can add in extra as like sugar cubes or whatever, and your instant tea is just ready. Enjoy with your family and friends, or if you are traveling, this is the best option you can have. But in my personal opinion, go for it and yeah, enjoy your instant tea and do tell me how's that reviews count you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, have a nice time.